Good day, students. Today we want to solve problem under logarithm involving evaluation. Now, when you are dealing with addition, when you are having log 2x base 2 and log x plus 4 base 2, when you're adding them together, when you're having logs separately, and you want to turn it to another form that involves only one log instead of writing two log in different places, they're having the same base. You are going to turn the addition to multiplication at the power by writing one log instead of two. Okay, what I'm trying to say is this: the log 2x base 2 plus log x plus 4 base 2 equals to 6 can be written as log 2x. Since I'm turning the log into one log, we now write multiply by x plus 4 base 2. You see that the addition is result of multiplication, and we're having one log instead of two. When you want to express it in form of log in two places, you are going to put addition in between the two log. I'm turning two log into one log. Multiplication will be at the power by multiplying the index. Okay, equals to 6. Now log 2x times x is 2x squared, 2x times 4 plus 8x base 2 equals to 6. In this case, we want to remove this log from this side. It will not be in the form of, when you're having something like this, there is a rule in indices, there's a law in indices that says log b base a equals to c. For example, it's now be this base, now be a raised to power this c equals to b. I want to apply the same rule here. It will now be 2x squared plus 8x equals to 2 raised to power 6. 2 raised to power 6. Okay, now let's factorize. Okay, let's continue like that. Let's have 2x squared plus 8x, 2 times 2, 2 times 2 times 2, that's 2 times 2 times 2, that's 8, that's 64. 8 times 8, that's 64. We're having equals to 64. Okay, let's turn it to equation. 2x squared plus 8x, take the 64, cross the equal sign, turn to minus 64 equals to 0, divide 2 by 2. I want to reduce the coefficient of x squared. Now 2x squared plus 8x minus 64 equals to 0, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. You're having 2 cancel 2, you have x squared, here 1, 2 here 4 plus 4x minus 32 equal to 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. 64 divided by 2 is 32. Now what you need to do is to, you can see the coefficient of x squared here is 1. This one here, multiply the coefficient of x squared and the constant minus 32. Okay, you have 1, this coefficient of x squared here is 1 times minus 32 equals to minus 32. You now think of two numbers that when you multiply, the first thing to do is to multiply the coefficient of x squared with the constant minus 32. Okay, you now think of two numbers that when you multiply them together, it will give you this minus 32, and when you add those two numbers together, it will give you plus 4x. You see that if you go ahead by writing 1 plus minus 32, when you add this together, it will give you minus 31, and that is not what we have here. That's why this one cannot go. This one will not go. Now continue your division. Come to one side of your book. Write 32, 2 in 3, 1. I mean that 1, 2 in 12, 6. If you pick 2, multiply by 16, it will give you 32. Let me say you introduce negative here. 2 times minus 16 give you minus 32. Well, let's add it together. 2 plus minus 16 will give you minus 14, which is not giving us what is at the middle. That means that it's not correct. You can't use that. You continue your division. 2 here, 8. Let's pick this. 2 times 2, this is 4. Okay, let's now say 4 times 8. Now, which is when you put negative here give you minus 32. Now start to add it. 4 plus minus 8 will give you minus 4, and you're having positive sign here and you're having negative here. It means that you have to change the sign to this place. Okay, so that you'll be having minus 4 times 8 will give you minus 32. Now minus 4 plus 8 will give you 4, which goes for this. You now replace minus 4 plus 8 into this place. Don't forget to add your x, because having x, you're having x squared minus 4x plus 8x minus 32 equals to 0. Now let's factorize. Now what's common between x squared and 4x? You're having x into x minus 4. The x has been factorized out, plus what's common? 8 into x minus 8 goes in 32, that's 4, equal to 0. Now write it out. You're having x minus 4. Since x, what's in the bracket, they are common, you pick one. X minus 4 into bracket, the one that is outside, x plus 8 equal to 0. Now say x minus 4 equal to 0, or x plus 8 equal to 0. Now x equals 0 plus 4. When the minus 4 plus the equal sign turns to positive 4, 1 to plus 4, or x equals 0 minus 8. Okay, now x equals to 0 plus 4, that's 4, or x equals to minus 8. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.